Hello and welcome. My name is Molly Kellgren, Health Science Product Manager here at Realityworks. Thanks for joining me today as I give you a sneak peek into the curriculum components for Realityworks Auscultation Trainer. Realityworks places a high priority not only on the creation of quality products, but on curriculum creation as well. Prepared curriculum comes with most Realityworks products. You will receive a link to the online curriculum when you receive your product. When you access that link, you will have a lesson plan with clearly identified learner objectives, an instructor PowerPoint presentation with supporting notes, and depending on the individual curriculum, there could be student worksheets with answer keys, student activities with setup instructions, as well as assessment checklists and answer keys. All of these materials are organized into a consistent pattern of focus, learn, and review. Complete an initial activity with students to focus their minds on the upcoming topics. Use the PowerPoint presentation along with the Realityworks product to help students learn in the classroom. Use the assessment tools to provide an active review of the student's performance. All materials are created in close collaboration with subject matter experts to ensure accuracy and a reflection of current best practices with the goal of making the instructor's job as easy as possible. The curriculum related specifically to the Auscultation Trainer follows the same pattern of focus, learn, and review. There are activities like the anatomy pre-quiz and the empathy activity. The instructor PowerPoint provides all the materials you need to teach your students about heart, lung, and bowel auscultation. A skills checklist that can be used to assess the students' auscultation skills wraps up the entire lesson. Thanks for joining me today to learn more about the curriculum support that Realityworks provides. If you have further questions, please use the email address listed on your screen. We are always happy to help.